the site in Riggs. This is the site in Riggs. Auto operate, repairing pipes, and after cleaning the threads and hard bonding job. See, this is the open wide field here in Canada, Saskatchewan. The drilling, same after this is using pump jack that pumping there after drilling this to become like that. So this is the job site for repairing, x-raying, and welding and cleaning everything about the pipes. This is a job site, exactly actual job site. Lots of generators, office for the engineers. It's past 11 or 11 now. After more than 2 hours driving coming here from hometown city. Okay, this is the exact location, and this is not the only first time video I'm doing. This is my content blog for if you are coming immigrant in Canada, Saskatchewan, and then if you work in like company yesterday is Stampede, now is Insights, the drilling company. Okay, so this is how it works to start drilling oil. Okay, so this is the long pipes. It's a long pipes there. Testing it. It's heavy. This one each is 500 pounds each. So if rolling and pulling is too heavy, like the Big Show in WWE. So that's the same size or same weight or heavy. Okay, so this is how it works. The people, the surrounding area in Canada, Saskatchewan, after cleaning the threads, brushing the threads, putting some chemicals, and now before starting extraying the jobs. That's our jobs only, extraying and x-ray the pipes if there's a pinholes or if there's a damaged pipes inside before connecting to the other pipes from the top. See, I like this job and I miss it. This is seasonal, part-time only. If there's a big job like this, for example, how to detect there's an oil in the site, like this open field. Yesterday in the hill, because I forgot my phone in the yard at the shop, so I miss. But passport now, I give a chance, even almost low but give a chance to see the whole exactly actual job in the field. Okay? So this is the kind of pipe. After cleaning the threads, putting some wood pieces, small pieces, and parcel, brushing the threads. So that's why after checking there, measuring the size or the pipes, after measuring there, then we start extraying the pipes. See? How long is that? Okay. So this is a complete inspection. We inspect, repair, and hard bonding job, repairing the welding parts of the broken pieces of the joint of the pipes. So this is our pipes after repairing. And after using, this is the storage in the blue rack there, the storage of pipes for repairing. See, at the bottom there's a pipes there. So this is our job for today. Trans highway. So it's the working. So that's the pipes for repairing, including in the bunker. So that's pipes and here coming from there after using. So if there's a damage, okay, so it's ready. This is our equipment. Okay. The job sites of our client for this company. This is only a part-time job to me, but it works, it helps. Okay, we are Manitoba now. 3 days working here. 2 nights in Vancouver. Okay guys, so subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys. That's all.